A happy morning, my dear children. Welcome back to your English online class. Children, today we are going to start a new chapter of your English course book, that is chapter 3, titled Jack and the Beanstalk. It is an interesting story about the boy named Jack. He came across few adventures. In this story, we have few characters. The first character is Jack. He is a young boy. He lives with his mother in a small cottage. The second one is Jack's mother. Her name is not mentioned in the story. So, we are going to just refer to as Jack's mother. Next is a cow. This cow's name is Milky. And lastly, a funny man who is a farmer. Alright? Now, children, do you know what are fairy tales? Fairy tales are stories which are typically full of magic. Okay? Magic means magic spells. You can find royal characters like prince, princess, queen, kings, and also have talking animals. It doesn't have to include any fairies at all to be considered a fairy tale. Most of the time, story begins like once upon a time. Okay, so fairy tales can take you to the magical world. And like all stories, fairy tales are meant to entertain. Alright, so children, let's start the story. Once upon a time, there was a boy called Jack. He lived with his mother in a small cottage. Small cottage means a small hut. Okay, they were very poor. All they had a cow named Milky. One day, Jack's mother said to him, "We have no food. Go to the market and sell Milky. The money will help us buy food." "Good idea," replied Jack. Jack had not gone very far when he met a funny man. "Where are you going?" said the funny man. "I'm going to the market to sell Milky," said Jack. "I'll give 5 magic beans for your cow," said the old man. "If you plant them, they will grow to the sky." Jack took the beans, gave his cow to the man, and returned home. He told his mother that he had sold the cow for 5 magic beans. "What?" she shouted. "There is no such thing as magic beans. Oh, Jack, what you have done." So saying, she threw the beans outside his window. They went to bed hungry that night. So, children, here in this story, there was a boy named Jack lived with his mother in a small hut. They were very poor. They don't have any source of income. They had a cow whose name is Milky. One day, Jack's mother told him to go to the market and sell the cow because there was no food to eat. Jack agreed, and next day, Jack left his home to sell his cow Milky. On the way to the market, he met a funny man. Okay, funny man gave him 5 magic beans to Jack in exchange. Jack was told by the funny man that the beans he had were not any ordinary beans, they were very special beans. Okay, the funny man said if you plant these beans tonight, they will grow up by tomorrow morning and reach the sky. Children, have you ever seen a bean like that? You planted the previous day and the next day it started growing to the fast. Okay, so fast. I'm sure you haven't. But this bean was a special bean, right? So, students, Jack took the beans, gave his cow to the man, and returned home. He informed his mother that he had sold the cow for 5 magic beans. His mother shouted on Jack and threw the beans outside his window. They slept that night without eating anything that night. Okay. The next morning, a tall beanstalk grew outside his window. Jack ran out and began climbing the beanstalk. If went it went into the clouds. On the very top of the tree was a huge house. An ogress stood at the door. Ogress, lady giant. Okay, ogress means a lady giant. I'm tired and hungry, said Jack. Do you have anything to eat? Go away, or my husband will eat you, said the ogress. Suddenly there was a crashing sound, thump thump. So, students, the next day, when Jack woke up in the morning and looked out of the window, he saw that a huge beanstalk had grown from his magic beans. He climbed up the beanstalk and reached a house in the sky. There lived a giant and his wife. Jack found the giant's wife at the door. Jack was hungry, so he wanted something to eat. Suddenly, the floor began to shake. Jack was scared and wondered. Okay, the house shook and the ogre walked in. Jack could see his shoes. 100 cows could fit inside them. What do we have to eat? He asked. We have soup, meat, bread, and cheese. What do you want? Asked his wife. I want it all, said the ogre. Wait, fee, fi, fo, fum. I smell a boy. Where is he? Said the ogre. So, suddenly, what happened? The floor began to shake. Jack was scared and wondered. Jack saw an ogre, means giant, walked in. Jack could see his shoes only. The giant started shouting and said he can smell the blood of a boy. His wife refused to accept to the presence of any boy. The giant had a golden hen that laid golden eggs. Let's see. I have got a golden hen. It will lay golden eggs, said the ogre. Then he put the hen on the table and ordered, lay eggs, hen. The hen laid golden eggs. The ogre counted 30 eggs and then fell asleep. Jack grabbed the hen and ran down the beanstalk. He got home and gave the hen to his mother. The giant had a golden hen that laid golden eggs. Okay, then he put the hen on the table and ordered the hen to lay golden eggs. Okay, the hen laid golden eggs as giant ordered. The giant counted 30 eggs, then fell asleep. Jack waited for the giant to fall asleep and quickly picked up the hen that laid golden eggs. Jack ran back to the beanstalk and climbed down quickly. He gave the hen to his mother and told about the incidents. The beans were magical. The beans were magical. They led me to this hen that lays golden eggs, said Jack excitedly. Meanwhile, the ogre woke up and ran down to the beanstalk after Jack. Jack called out to his mother, "Mother, bring me an axe." Jan began chopping down the beanstalk. Soon the beanstalk fell with a great thump, and so did the ogre. He lay on the ground with a sad face and a big bump on his head. Jack felt bad. I'll bandage your head. Sorry for taking your hand. Will you be friends with me? Asked Jack. Fee, fi, fo, fum. I'll be your best friend. They shared all the riches and lived happily ever after. So here, what happened? Jack called out his mother for an axe. His mother gave him an axe. Jack chopped the huge beanstalk on which the giant also climbed back to the Jack. When the beanstalk fell down, the giant too fell to the ground with a great thump. Mother was surprised to see the giant. Jack felt bad for the giant. He said sorry to the giant for taking his hand. They became friends, they shared all the wealth and lived happily ever after. Okay, students, that's enough for today. Goodbye, children. Stay safe, stay indoors. Goodbye, take care.